welcome back to my channel. I'm Dolly Mosenye. As you already know, if you are a new subscriber, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, a brand subscriber, hi baby, hi love. I know it's been a while, and since I know I'm sorry, my baby, but I'm sorry guys. It's December. But I'm back, and today we're doing a self-care vlog, self-care day, self-care week, self-care 2 days. We'll see how far we go with the self-care. Okay guys, before we get started, I want to do a mini haul, very mini small, because I don't need a lot of stuff as of yet, but I went shopping, even though I didn't take you guys with me. But you guys know filming in public is just stressful. It's hard for me, but it is what it is. So let's get on to the mini haul. Don't be scared of the big bag. How am I supposed to? I got this Also Heavenly body lotion because my Sanity Essentials body custard is almost finished and my sister hasn't made other products yet, so we'll have to use this. And then I got this mouthwash. I don't know if it's going to like do the trick, but I was just like, oh, what mouthwash? And matata, your girl orata deal me asna mad. So this was my cheapest option, even though like mouthwash was a Colgate, the gonna get Listerine was like 40 bula, but it was half the size of this, and I was like, quantity. Then I took Clicks. We trust Clicks. Kanajang. I got new razors for the pets and the coochie. And then I got this face wash. I've never used this before, but I want to try it out. It's sensitive. I wanted to try this. It's actually 40 pula, same price as Poshia M. I was actually looking at Poshia M and I was like, let me try something new. I also got an LA Lab face mask from Pep and underwear, which you guys shall not see. But yeah, I want to try this out. We are going to try this on later on. Then I got a random dress. I've always wanted this, a silk plain skirt. It's not a dress, it's a skirt. A wallet and the sandals I'm wearing, which are not giving what they were supposed to give, but I'm carrying because I didn't fully try them on. Guys, my feet are like thin, long and thin, so my whole foot is just all over the place because the foot is not in place. So I can't go to school with shoes like this. I was trying to be that girly what is saying this year. I can still try. I literally just started, but I will be that girly what is saying because and whatnot. These days I'm always wearing Crocs everywhere I go. December I spent it really Croc. Please and thank you. After this, I want to like apply this face mask, unwind, and start planning for 2023 with you guys, and just journal and set goals and whatnot. Same old. New year, new me. But no negative vibes. It is what it is. Moody Mode. He will carry us through. So yeah guys, let me know. Give me peso. Rah! Extendo. Car. I carry bitches like I'm prego. Pop. Hey guys, it's the next day. I just washed my face. That's why my lips are dry. It's the next day. My phone was off literally the whole day today. I had charger problems. Guys, this new phone, stress, please and thank you. The devil is a liar. The devil is a liar. Now, onto a little self-care. I washed my face. Got the baby about yesterday. And today I want to do this mask. I've never applied a face mask before. Never. This is the first time. Cleanse the skin. Okay, wash face. I did. Dry the skin. I did. Remove the sheet. Okay. Apply mask to face. Carefully aligning the eye, nose holes. What? Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Remove facial. Pat in the excess. Okay, what happens after? How would I be? I don't. They just apply moisturizer after. Okay, here goes nothing. This is a first for me. I've never done this. It's black. It smells awful. Well, not awful, but it doesn't smell nice. It smells like, why is it slimy? Okay, there she is. Let me look at the mirror. Ooh, it's dripping literally. I thought it would be white. I didn't think it would be black. This is the first time I'm using a sheet mask. Purple, like the ones Taco Clicks, and it's very affordable, which is nice. 20 bull sheet mask ko Clicks. Last time I checked was like 40 bull. Yeah, I think 40 bull. Okay, the time right now is like 9:07. So let's chat. While game it's a sheet mask. I feel so bougie. I feel bougie, even though I look like a thief, but you know. Okay, I wanna go take a picture for Instagram. Get out the deal, content creator. I'm coming. I'm drinking coffee. Tell me I don't look scary right now. Tell me. Oh, and guys, after this we're journaling and all of that good stuff. But can I say this? 46, and already I've accomplished some of my goals for this year, and I'm just so happy. So it's a happy day. I can't smile properly because of this, but it looks ugly. I look like I'm about to, give me better. Extend up. I carry bitches like I'm pregnant. I look gangster. But yeah, whatever. I am going to voice call my girls, and I will see you after I remove this. So wait a bit. Okay guys, I just removed the mask. I look good. Jealous down. And I can't react that because my skin is sensitive. And to heat up my coffee, and my sister was like, "Oh, check the more skinning bill." I was like, I go check it there. I was like, but is my skin so sensitive? More cutting anything I buy, or check a bit, I'll check it a bit. Sensitivity testing. But we look good, we look fine. I don't know should I wash my face? Anyway, let's just stay like this for a few minutes and talk about setting goals. I haven't finished reading this book. And then there's my journal. Yeah, I wanna like write the goals and whatnot. So before we say anything, the goal this year is to glow up, get great grades, go skolong, and just be a badass bitch. Get cuffed up, be loved to the fullest. That is the goal. So obviously I'm gonna have to break them up into like smaller sections, but I feel like writing down things, how to tell you now, you can refer back to what you wrote and check progress. Did you do what you said you was gonna do? I want to start hitting the gym. I should write that down. Little now you should check me and call me out. I actually had some short-term goals. Let's take some time to reflecting and whatnot. Short-term goals: raise GPA to 3.5. This one breaks my heart because my GPA fell to the ground. I almost went into a little depressive state. Not depression, I don't know if I should say depression. That's a whole other thing on its own. But I did go into like a little slump. My GPA like is literally not even close to 3.5, but it used to be like 4.5. Imagine. And that was this 1 year. Third year, guys. Third year was like my downfall. GPA, I will not say the number right now because I'm still healing. But okay, the second goal was to fall in love with myself again. Did I feel like maybe December. Nah, I'm lying. No, because I feel like one of the reasons why I haven't been filming that much, I feel like I've gained weight, like a lot of weight, and I don't like what I see on the camera. So I'm like, this double chin, girl, it's just making me not love myself like that. But we don't just have to state our problems. Don't just state your problems. About the solution. Go to the gym. If you're not going to go to the gym, just do home workout. There was this period of time where I was doing home workouts. Even like I included some of them more vlog, and I feel like I was in the best shape of my adulthood. I'm old, guys. Adulthood, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, I want to go back to that shape. I will look for a picture some way, somehow, and insert it. I feel like that was the best shape of my entire life. I don't care. I wasn't slender, but I was like defined, and my tummy wasn't like overlapping, and my negative chiseled down out. So the third goal was to upgrade my wardrobe. I feel like I can reach any of these goals, by the way, so might as well rewrite them because I do want to upgrade my wardrobe this year too. But it's okay. I feel like that girl with the biker shorts, that girl with the tracksuit, I don't care. That is my brand, and I feel like I should upgrade my wardrobe based on that, because sometimes I just buy clothes because something is in right now and I buy it because I feel comfortable in that piece of clothing. I just put it hot. e wardrobe idala ke se re tletseng like it's not diaparo tse nka di apara. Imagine the pain because I'm the only one wearing I tshwanetse ra ye go home, especially school in the morning when I wake up. I be gore ke tsogile ka nako, but I take like 30 to 45 minutes trying on clothes. Ke apara gantele ke ngala ke nna hatse ke nna ke I'm not going to school gantele ke you know, it's just age, guys. It's okay, these body issues and body with their things. But I have a bona kwente oh, I love your body, Anita. Love your body, girl. Stick out my slim or what? Like, bitch, walk a mile in my shoes. Walk a mile, I dare you. You wouldn't. Like, it's so. And then improve my social skills. I feel like I did. I should take this. I did improve my social skills because I did befriend some people from my class, and that was a plus for me because like maybe I saved the semester because of those people, because I studied with them and whatnot, you know. Improve my makeup skills. I did improve the crease. I did try crease for the first time in a previous vlog, and I believe that counts for something. Progress, baby steps. I'm not great at makeup, and I don't really care about makeup because I have gorgeous skin like this. So being up to speed with classes. I will say this, when it comes to classes, online classes are just for me because like I'm like but when I don't attend online classes. I never attend online classes, but economics last semester was like the turning point. Economics, that was the time when they were like physical, and I had to start like material from the start. Like I literally taught myself economics last semester. And I did great. I have no supplementary exams, no retakes this semester. We are good. The girly is good. The study what were actually helpful to some extent. But like I did good for myself, and I'm proud of myself. Sometimes how do we keep this and be like, I'm proud of you. I love you. You did the best you could. And then don't ask me why I'm smiling. Inside joke. Or improve my time management skills. I didn't. Lose 2 kg. I gained 2 kg. Or speak more to people and make new friends. I'll try again this year. Spend more time with existing friends. I actually spent time with my girls this December, and I wouldn't take it back. It was the best. In 3 days, and I'm so happy that I did because I actually bonded with my friends. Like it was so fun. It was so fun. Sell my Samsung Galaxy A10s. I did that. I sold it. Buy my iPhone XR. I did it, and we are filming on the baby right now. I'm sure you can tell. Yeah. Guys, this phone almost like broke my heart because it took forever for me to buy it. It didn't take me forever. It took forever for them to give it to me. And I had to go and force them to give me my phone. I was like, guys, please give me my phone. It's been 2 months. It's been a whole month getting a phone. What are you doing? And then I had to, but I got my phone on the 21st of December. It's still new. It's 2 weeks old now, I think. Yeah, but I love it. I love everything. I'm getting used to everything, and you know, but I haven't been filming because this double chin was not cute. It was not cute. Get out of stress. I have to go to the gym. I haven't been eating properly. It was inevitable because I gain weight, but I will start working out. Start working out again. Yeah. Get in it soon. And you should also practice gratitude. That helps. So I've been talking for 11 minutes now, and I think you guys, I don't know if you guys like me speaking too much, but comment down below how you feel. Should I stop talking or should I just keep talking and talking? Because I can talk until sunrise. Say what happened. I'm going to get to 10. So I'm going to write on my journal because I have a lot to write in my journal, because today was a special day. It's the 6th of January today, and it's a very special day. Don't ask me. So yeah guys, let me go ahead and journal for you guys. Are bumbo clat Shakira. Are oh baby when you ain't go man. Are Jamila. Okay, what I get a sleeping mask. Okay, Serat. Serat. Bless her. Give it. Bless her. How you so? I'm legally blind. I can see barely. Thank you. I guess, yeah. Swam now with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over, tasted and call me. Okay, hi guys. It's tomorrow. Today is tomorrow, and my sister and I were supposed to go out on a picnic date at a park somewhere, and no, there is electricity. So guess who's eating indoors? Because she ordered some food, some tacos and ribs. Cute. But turns out we are mono hair, so I'm eating right now. I don't know what I'm going to do with the rest of the day. Probably spend the day sleeping and just watching Netflix. Where will the day take us? Because it's all about us. It's not about me. It's not about you. It's all about everybody personally. So yeah, a little taste test. Oh, okay. My sister says lesson how to drink wine, and I don't care. A spider just descended right now. Can I get one spider? Get spider, got the web. I'm not scared. Cheers to new beginnings, to a new year, to a great new year, and everything good. Love, money, good grades, better friendships, everything good. Cheers. Let's try some tacos. Take the first bite. I'll give it a 7. 7.5. 7.5.
Solo.
Che un amore che le tlare. Are bere mbuji. Cooking up the Uzi.
Solo. It's hell on earth and the city's on fire. In hell, there's heaven. There's a bull and a matador dueling in the sky. In hell, there's heaven.
Chopstick. Yeah, they can come out. Ginger. Mo go green mo ga go go ba go hitisa sengwe sengwe mo lehatsheng. Ga ba tshela nnenyane ha soy sauce. Tshela la thoko e bo o dela. My friend. You're telling. My friend. Ooh. It sounds like but it's giving me my fresh. You? And I saw see that one and you got it. Yeah, rude. Give my tag.
I guess, yeah. So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody.
Hey, hi guys. Hello. It's like, not gonna lie, it's been a few days, but today my sister and I went out to Park 27. That was totally unplanned, but usually I was supposed to meet up with Bakan, but I ended up canceling and going out with my sister. This is the outfit. There's the outfit. I feel so sexy, guys. Like, who is she? I feel sexy. I feel good. I'll insert some pictures here for y'all to see. But I feel so good about myself. I feel like this is my year. But I just feel so light today. I don't know why, but I feel light. Guys, waist wear. Okay, I had sushi for the first time today, and it wasn't like a shocking experience or anything. No, it tasted like fresh, like literally. Disgusting, but that's what I tasted. Okay, as someone who grew up ajama gunyalama fresh, trust me. And oh guys, can I review the products I got last time? I love the new face wash I got. I actually love it. I feel so clean. I feel good. Like, my skin is so sensitive, guys, so I think I'm gonna stick with the sensitive the sensitive face wash that I got. And I also want to get like the face scrub. It is the same brand, Oxy. Actually kind of like it, so I'm gonna get more of that. And can I say that triple blades, the triple blades, the triple blades, the triple blades, can I say that triple blades, the triple blades, the razors that I got are triple blades were blading. I love them. I'm going to start using triple blades from now on, to die for, and they do the job. I got a single blade. I don't want to get into the details, gross, but I'm loving everything I got. And the face mask, learn it was nice on my skin. I feel good. I actually feel good today. I don't know why I feel so good, but I feel good. Maybe it's the crop top. Like, if you knew me from like that, even if you didn't know me, Dolly last year, this time, I wouldn't be wearing something that exposes my arms like this because I'm so insecure about my arms. One thing about a big girl, arms, those are weak spots, okay? But I showed both today. So tell me that is not progress. This is my year and I'm not going back on that. I am so happy. I'm just over the moon. Sorry, but I'm just so happy. I don't care who gonna check me. Who got something to say? Who gonna check me? That's what I thought. Guys, you see the glow. You don't need me to say too much. I got just this year, glowing skin, great relationships, great grades, since it's in school, and then better relationships with Jesus, God, financial breakthroughs. I can feel it in my stomach. I can hold a lot of things. I can feel it in my throat. Forget I said that. That was uncalled for. Ignore. But yeah, guys, I'm so happy. I'm going to go back and watch Hunter. Kenzie gave me the Hunter, and it's embarrassing because I literally have this poster from Hunter. Magic in my head. Last time I stopped episode 55, and that was months ago, last year, and I restarted it. 55 and I slept at like 2:30 a.m. So I'm going to continue it from now till because I always sleep the next day. There's this TikTok that I saw. We always sleep the next day. Yesterday I slept the next day, something like this, and the next day is today. What tomorrow, something like that. You get what I'm saying? Because like it's today, but like about 2 or 3 in the morning, that's tomorrow. So yeah, let me not talk too much because I'm happy. I'm very happy. I got some takeaway sushi and what's it called, and some cake, dessert. So I'm gonna eat that. Not with you guys. No. I just want to like one day, I just want hope so that I can take my sister out. Please and thank you. So that I can take my sister out. Everything you can, everything you want, because that girl has my back. She has my back. I love you, babe. I love you. She got me. She has my back and I love her. I love you, baby, even though I don't tell her enough, but I love you and she knows I love her. So I got you. Okay, guys, let me not talk too much. 6 minutes, that's a lot. Let me go ahead and get undressed and go watch my anime, get comfortable because I'm tired. Yeah.
ますます意味わかんね
バカだね。私のが強いっつってんだわよ。
え。やろう。軽い攻撃だ。
Okay, guys, I just wanted to like close off this vlog properly and just say like I hope you guys are loving and taking care of yourselves. Let's talk self-care. I get it. You don't really have to just be like it's all about me. Yes, it's about you, but like it being about you doesn't mean you have to like sideline other people. Spend more time with the people you love, spend more time with your friends, go out more, socialize more. That is if unosa socializing like that. For some of us who let school lead, because school hella since last semester I literally saw my friends, most of my friends like about 3 months ago or something. Baba, it's been months and months, half a year, but by the attachment thing you get, it's been months and I haven't been spending time with friends. But I will say that so far, this far into the year, I've been like spending a lot of time with my friends. Okay, since December till now, I've been spending a lot of time with my friends, having fun and just living. Do you ever feel like, I don't know what I can matter, but do you ever feel like you've just grown too fast and you've never made like the mistake in you didn't get the chance the thrill of it all? It may seem like wabaring, you get, but like I feel like I love that I'm a good child, don't get me wrong, but like sometimes that's a sign from God, like child, stop. But sometimes I feel like, girl, just at least one more but like that's not how things work in this house. Okay, communication is key. I'm playing. So yeah, guys, I just feel like self-care isn't just about skin and whatnot. Yeah, my skin is glowing, my skin is popping. Don't play with me, don't play with it. But like just confidence. Like I literally wore a tank top outside without a shirt on. When I started this video, I was wearing a white tank top, the white tank top I was wearing yesterday, but then it didn't like pop as much as it did yesterday, because yesterday your girl was showing curves, your girl was showing shoulders, mukamba. But who gonna check me wearing sandals? Me in sandals, who would have thought? Guys, I just love the girly I'm turning into, and I feel like that's me loving myself. That's me taking care of myself, my skin, my confidence, my mental health, my heart. Everything is just going great so far. I'm so happy. Happiness is very gaje. I will put that TikTok. I love it. Get like saying after this because I love it.
Oh my gosh, you're glowing up these days. Yes, darling. That's because happiness is reality.
So yeah, guys, just take care of yourselves. Let's work out more. I want to actually pay for the gym because like what the hell am I doing? But yeah, guys, I hope you guys received this well, and I hope you guys have been good. I know I haven't been here, but like my confidence has just been like my motivation, like honana, I'm drinking this black coffee. After I stop filming this part of the video, I'm going to go ahead and edit for you guys. It's Wednesday today. You're going to see this tomorrow. Okay, 11:35 p.m. So black coffee. Black coffee it is. I hope it actually does something because I feel like I'm addicted to coffee. K Jacobs, guys, has a nice cafe. Please and thank you. Sorry. Utaka utalo edare batho ba claim ba addicted to Nescafe. It's a Jacobs, or what's the other one? No, oh my god, sorry. Nescafe is fine. There's that other one, man. I forgot the name. Recof. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and stop this video here. I hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff. I missed being here. I missed editing actually. I have a video, one more video that I have to edit apart from this one. I will edit it some other time though, but yeah, I'm editing it right now. So yeah, guys, I will see you guys when I see you guys. Take care, love yourselves, take care of yourselves, treat yourselves. Once in a while, had a weekend today, they will get paid for, you know. Yo go get paid for o just se batlang e bo tswa mo restaurant mo sa te ha wa tlhatswa plate. You are the help. You get me? Like, yeah. Soft life. Cruising nicely this side.